Alright, another quick unboxing here. This is for a 10 gallon or 2.5 litre fuel tank off eBay. Again, about $50-60 or so. Here we go. This is the beast. So it comes with two of these fittings, which is just appears to be some sort of blanking fitting. So there's a inner bit and an outer bit, and it's got like a little knobby bit there and there and there. I'm not sure if that's for a special tool or whatever, but yeah, you get two of these. You've got these two ports on the top and then two ports on the side. I'll show you that in a second. We've also got a fuel cap, which undoes. Pop that up, turn that, and then I believe pulls straight up. And then inside here, I'll just turn the camera light on, if it will turn on. No, not going to. Anyway, inside here is foam, which tries to reduce the sloshing. And then behind here is the two inlet ports. So let's pull that out now so you can see. Show this on here for a second. Come on, camera, stay still. So pretty well packaged. Now you can see the full tank. So it's got a sloped bottom so that it angles towards the front. So the foam is on this side, which angles it towards the two outlets. So you've got two outlets that go through the foam for your supply, and then you've got two at the top for return or event. So yeah, and then a closer look at the cap. This is the cap. It's got your little tab here, and then when you turn the base, see if we can do this one-handed, it turns those locking tabs. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, it's a bit hard to do one-handed, but essentially that's it. So it's off eBay. I'll put the link in the description as always. It cost me about $60 Australian delivered. Not bad. Welds are pretty good. Nothing too shabby on it. The feet look pretty strong. This might be a weak point here, but again, it's only holding 10 litres, so there shouldn't be a lot of leverage on there. But I would have liked to seen like a bit of triangulation on this point here, but we'll see how it goes. Time will tell. Not bad for $60. Cheers.